What's going on, guys? It's Ken. I'm back with another video. Today, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Beats Studio Pros as well as the Beats Solo 4. Alright, I got one of each with me, a black pair of the Studio Pros and a pink pair of the Solo 4s. Right now you can actually get the Studios on Amazon for 179 bucks. They're on sale from about $350. That's 50% off. Pretty good deal. The Solos you can also get for 100 bucks. Those are also 50% off as well from $200. These are some pretty good deals right now. I would take advantage of this while the sale lasts. I'm gonna try to just go straight through, see what's good. I'm gonna take off the wrapping and open these up. Alright, so pretty straightforward unboxing it. No weird packaging, which is nice. You don't gotta break a bunch of plastic and all that. The case is right here. So inside the case, you're gonna see the headphones right away. There's nothing else in this box. It's just pretty much the headphones. And here are the headphones. I'm trying to be gentle. They actually are a little, they're not as pink as I thought they'd be. So keep that in mind. They're like a very light pink. Okay, it's almost white, but there's like a tint of pink in them. Alright, they're pretty small, very light. If I put them on my head, they just about cover my ears. So with my ears, the size of my ears, they really are a perfect fit. I'm not gonna lie. You know, I haven't really tried on a pair of Solos in a long time, so I'm not sure how these compare to other pairs of Solos, but they also obviously bend and fold like this. I'm gonna put these to the side, and inside this case there actually doesn't seem to be anything else. No other packaging. I'm not sure. Oh, okay, yeah, that's what I was about to say. I couldn't find the cables. I was really confused. Inside the case there's two cables. All right, I actually was a little scared for a second. So these do come with a USB-C charging cable. All right, so we got a gray cable. It's about 3 feet long cable to charge with, and then it also comes with an aux cable if you want to plug it into a device. That's pretty much it. Let's take a look at the Studio Pros. I got these in black. The box is a little bit bigger, and the headphones should be a little bit bigger as well. So let's take a look. Same thing with the packaging. Got a little print of the headphones on the box, which I don't think were on the other ones. Nice little detail though, nothing crazy. Open this up. The packaging is the same. All that's inside in here is a case and just a little manual. So let's open this up. Same packaging. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, I actually like the black. I like the black color on this. It's pretty nice. Matte black. So as you can see, the ear muffs are a little bit bigger. They're going to surround your ear and fit around your ear as opposed to just on top of your ear with the Solos. If I try these on, yeah, they definitely surround the whole entire ear as opposed to just sitting on top of them. They fit good. I don't got really any complaints. I feel like honestly feel like they're smaller. I used to have Beats Studios a long time ago. I feel like these are a little smaller than the ones from a long time ago, but they're also a good size. I don't think they're too big, and you know, they're obviously bigger than the Solos. Yeah, I'm gonna hold these side by side just so you guys can see the size difference. I'm not gonna expand them at all. So this is the size difference of me holding them. They are pretty similar, but the main difference is the size of the ear portion pretty much. All right. Overall, I mean, they feel good. The studios don't even really feel that much heavier than the solos. You know, but there are some features that we should go over. First off, I want to say the price. So, like I said, the studios are $350 retail. The solos are $200 retail. Something to keep in mind, there is a little bit of a price difference, $150. Is it worth it? Let's go over the specs. You know, I'm on the Beats website right now. The studios have 40 hours of playback with noise cancellation off, okay? The solos have 50 hours of playback, so the solos actually give you a little bit more battery life. 10 hours, it's a decent amount, nothing crazy. When it comes to the charging though, a 10-minute charge provides up to 4 hours of playback, which I think is impressive. I think the fact that you could charge it for 10 minutes and that gives you 4 hours, even that alone is really nice if you're just in a rush on the go real quick, you want to charge them right before you leave the house. That's actually, I think that's really cool that you can do that. And the solos 10-minute charge provides up to 5 hours of playback. Even with the studios, the 4 hours, that's still impressive to me. So I think those are good specs. They both have a USB-C connector to charge. Now with the listening modes, the studios have active noise cancellation and transparency mode. The solos don't have either of those modes, so that is something to consider. Is the $150 worth those two modes? In certain situations and for certain people, it definitely will be. Some people might not need those features, all right? The noise cancellation is going to be nice if you're in certain environments, certain rooms where there's other noise, even like a gym, if there's other music playing. You know, it might just being able to hear your music and canceling out everything around you might get you a little bit more locked in, you know. The transparency mode is another cool feature. It kind of reminds me with the AirPods, and it's probably the same thing where you can kind of hear other stuff that's going on as well as your music. It's another nice feature, but keep in mind the solo doesn't have that either. The Studio Pros and the Solos do have personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. And the last specification that is on the website just basically says that they both have lossless audio via USB-C or 3.5mm cable, okay? So that's pretty much expected. The main difference is the noise cancellation, the transparency mode, and the overall size. I'm pretty sure the quality and the DAC inside should be the same. I'm going to take a listen and test it out real quick just to kind of confirm that, because I am a little curious how they sound. Alright, so right now I got the studios on, and I'm pretty sure this is in transparency mode because I kind of hear my voice as I speak back into the headphones. So I'm going to assume this is in transparency mode. I'm going to play one of my songs from Apple Music just because I know how it sounds on other sources. And I'm going to compare it to how it sounds on the solos real quick, all right? So I'm going to just play this out for a few seconds. You guys might not be able to hear the song. Oh, actually.
I me a lesson. I was really stressing, but it was just a blessing. Just a loss over no direction. I should probably warn you, baby. Use your discretion. Take my advice and don't ask too many questions. Life is full of ups and downs, but right now we're just stuck in a depression. Life gets tough, you gotta thug it out. I know you're feeling tired and you're running out. Push yourself, be a doer, get rid of the doubt. Took so many O's at this point I can't even count. You're still in control to change. Life don't always feel.
Alright, I'm gonna leave my thoughts for the end. Let's plug in the solos, alright? Let's take a listen with the solos.
A blessing, just a loss over no direction. I should probably warn you, baby. Use your discretion. Take my advice and don't ask too many questions. Life is full of ups and downs, but right now we're just stuck in a depression. Life gets tough, you gotta thug it out. I know you're feeling tired and you're running out. Push yourself.
Alright, they sound similar. I feel like they sound a little bit different in the high end. It could be because of the size of the, it could be because the way it covers the ear, but they do sound very similar. You know, I will say though, for $100, these are solid for $100. Now, when I take a listen on my Audio Technicas from back in the day, I've had these for years.
Get rid of the doubt. Took so many of just a loss over no direction. I should probably warn you, baby.
It's actually interesting because these have a lot more high end, but a little bit less low end. So also the beats are more, they have more mid-range and a little bit less high end. Something that I noticed. But also these have been used for years. Overall though, they sound really good. I'm not gonna lie, for the price, they're solid. I definitely recommend picking these up while the sale lasts. And even in general for the price, for $350, I don't know if I'm really happy with $350 for the studios. Maybe $300 is a little bit more reasonable, but for what they are right now though, $175, I think that's a great deal. The setup process is really easy too. Basically what you got to do is you got to hold the power button for like 5 seconds, and then when you go on your phone and you open the Bluetooth settings, the Beats Studio Pro will pop up. Same thing with the solos, it's the same process. You got a few buttons on the side for the volume. You got a pause and a play button. And then on your phone, you can choose between the different modes. I'm not sure how it is on an Android, but those are pretty much the basic controls and how to set it up to your phone. I'm gonna wrap it up here though. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, check out the links in the description below. If you guys need mixing or mastering, message me, DM me, I'm always available. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.